Hi, I'm Leah and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all of the hair products that I used up over the last 3 months. Basically, the last few months of summer. So this year, I've been sharing my empties, my hair and skin empties, and I have to say over the summer, I kind of lagged a little bit when it came to my skincare. Also, of course, because of the pandemic, I'm not going out many places, and when I am, I'm wearing a mask, so I'm not wearing much or any makeup. So I really didn't get through many skincare or makeup products over the last few months, but I did finish kind of cleaning out a lot of the lagging products within my hair stash. So I went through all of these hair products that I had started, but it just kind of been sitting in my cabinet for a few months. And I was like, okay, I need to finish this, I need to finish this, I need to finish this. So within this video, I'm going to be sharing with you products that I needed to finish using that I knew I was not going to rebuy. Some products that I'm kind of like on the fence about. Maybe I'll buy them again, maybe I won't. And then some of these products are ones that I know I will be continuing to use in my hair regimen. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the box that I've got sitting right here. First product that I'm pulling out in no particular order is the Eden Body Works Split End Repair Mask, and this is from their Almond Marshmallow line. Now, I've talked about this hair mask. I wanted it to be a part of my hair regimen just because I love this product so much. It smells awesome. It makes my hair feel good. It's got some slip. It's one of the best hair masks that I've used. The problem is I can't find it anymore. I used to be able to buy it in Target. None of the Targets near me have it. I actually had gone to visit some family recently in Tennessee and North Carolina. I searched online to see if any of the Targets within a certain mile radius of them had this product in stock. None do. So I don't know if Eden Body Works is phasing this hair mask out or it's just not being sold in stores anymore. You can only get it from their site. So I don't know. I like having products that are easy to get my hands on where I don't have to like buy it from a website and have to buy a certain amount of product to be able to get free shipping, and I just don't like all of that extra work. I like to be able to go to the store near me and buy the product. And since I can't with this anymore, it's unfortunately not a part of my hair regimen, and I'm probably not going to buy it again unless my Target restocks it. The next product I have here is from Tgin. It is the Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner. I've talked about this product quite a bit. I actually did a video on it that I'll link down below, sharing my thoughts on it. I love it. Spoiler alert. I use it as part of my hair regimen. It is my lighter hair moisturizer. I have another one that's a bit heavier that I will share with you at some point. I'll pull it out of this box that I have. But this is something that I'm buying again and would definitely recommend. All right, the next product that I have here is from the Main Choice. It is the Multivitamin Scalp Nourishing Growth Oil. Now, I don't think I've talked about this one before, but just to tell you a little bit about it, it's supposed to help support natural growth and retention by helping to reduce shedding, helping to revitalize and rejuvenate the scalp. It's a naturally stimulating oil that soothes and conditions the scalp, and it helps to transform hair into a healthier state. So I've been using this because I've noticed that my edges don't look like they used to a few years ago. I don't know what happened. I don't know how it happened, when it happened, but we're fixing it. And so I bought this and I've been using it basically here around the front and my edges. And I just apply it at night when I'm moisturizing still my hair. And I also will apply it in the morning when I'm doing my hair. The morning application doesn't always happen because I sometimes forget. So this growth oil says that it's gentle enough for daily use. It's lightweight and non-greasy, which I agree with. It's not a very greasy oil. I don't feel like it leaves a lot of like nastiness or slipperiness, I guess you could say, on my hands. One of the things that I will do is like when I use it, I will apply it to my scalp where I want to, and then if I do feel like I have a little bit left on my hands, because I tend to apply it with my fingers and my hands and massage it in, then I'll just run it through my hair, my fingers through my hair, and we're all good to go. I've already used up one bottle of the growth oil, which is this one, and I've bought another one, and the next time that it's on sale, I'm going to be stocking up and getting a couple of bottles because I like it. I've seen some results from it, and I'm going to continue to use it. The next product is one that I've talked about before. It is the Nacho Mother's Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Hair Mask. Now, I have to say, I really like it. I did a review on it that I'll link for you down below. I think it's great. I love that you're able to put it on and you only need it on for 2 to 5 minutes to actually feel it working. And that makes it great for traveling, which once we're able to start doing that again, that will actually matter. But it's made my hair feel nice and soft and hydrated, and it's really like softened up my hair. It was great when I had protein overload because it doesn't have protein in it. I will say though that I have stopped using it as a hair mask or deep conditioner just because I found a few other products that work a little bit better than this one and are also a little more easily accessible for me. Because this one I can only find in my area at Ulta. I can't find it at any other store. But the other hair mask that I've been using, I can find at multiple stores, including Ulta. I have been using those other ones, and this one got moved into the pre-poo bucket. But I've since used it up, and I'm not buying it again right now because I have some other products that I'm testing out for my pre-poo. So we'll see if this hair mask gets retired or if it stays in the rotation. All right, we're going to talk about Tgin again, and this is the Argan Replenishing Hair and Body Serum. I actually bought this product on a whim during one of their sales around the holidays last year, and I'm so glad that I bought 3 bottles on a whim because I really like it. I've been using it as part of my moisturizing and sealing routine. This has been my sealing oil or serum. And it's done great things for my hair. It makes it feel soft and smooth. And it really does a good job of sealing in the moisture without leaving like a greasy or heavy feeling on my hair. It's really lightweight. Now, I will tell you the kicker here is, even though it says it's like argan oil in it, argan oil is like the 3rd ingredient on this multiple oil list. So it's got coconut oil, olive oil, argan oil, peach kernel oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, hibiscus flowers, and fragrance. So it's not pure argan oil. That's why it's not a whole lot of money, but it ain't cheap either. But I would recommend this, particularly if you can get your hands on it during a sale that they might have, where it's a certain percentage off. And this bottle lasts me at least a couple of months, and I moisturize and seal my hair pretty much like every single day. Oh, and I plan to continue using this as my serum as long as I can get my hands on it, just because I can only find it on Tgin's website. I haven't been able to find it in a store, so, you know, I like it enough that I'm willing to buy it on the website, but it has to be on sale though. All right, we're going to stay with Tgin and talk about the last product that I have from them in this box. It is the Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. Now, this is the heavier moisturizer that I mentioned earlier. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad I decided to give this a try. I can't remember why I did. If it was just like, oh, let's just try it, and it was on sale, or was it that I saw a review for it from someone else who was relaxed, or was a combination of the two? I don't know, but I'm so glad that I decided to give it a try, because even though it's really, really thick, my hair loves really thick products, but it doesn't weigh my hair down. It doesn't make it feel or look greasy, and it makes my hair almost like instantly feel soft and moisturized. And so when I moisturize and seal with this and the argan oil, I wake up the next morning and my hair feels great. If I baggy my hair, it feels even better. So I'm continuing to use this. This is going to stay in my hair regimen. It's readily available in multiple different stores, places, websites. I will say though that if you're looking for something without protein in it, this is not it, because it does have hydrolyzed soy protein. So something to think about, but it's further down the list. It's kind of towards, it's like in the 1, 2, 3, 4, it's like in the 5th row of ingredients. So I'm not worried about using it every day, particularly because I don't have a lot of other products in my hair regimen that has protein in it. So I feel pretty safe and good using this. Okay, let's talk about a little treatment here. And that is the Olaplex Hair Perfector No. 3 Bond Treatment. Okay, now confession, I've used this I did a review on it. I think I might have done 2 reviews on it, and I was just like, whatever. And I didn't see anything great about it. And when I used it the first 2 times, I followed the directions, which is to use before you shampoo, and then dampen your hair, your dirty hair, dampen it, put the product on, leave it on for at least 10 minutes, rinse out, and shampoo, and then condition. And it worked. But then I saw a hair influencer that I follow, she uses this. And she uses it after she shampoos. So I said, let me give it a try. I used it after I shampooed, and I noticed like, my hair feels better. It feels different than it did the last time I tried this, and it feels better in a positive way. So I've been using it a little more often. I bought a second bottle, and I feel like using it after I shampoo, but before I condition, has provided me some better results, and I feel like it's been helping my hair quite a bit. So I'm going to continue this as part of my hair regimen. I'm not using it every week. I'm kind of using it like every other week or every couple of weeks when I actually remember to use it. But yeah, I would recommend this. It is a little bit expensive, so not something you would use every single time you wash your hair, but definitely something to try out when you can get it at Sephora and try to get it on sale. Okay, next we have another product from the Main Choice, and this is actually the last Main Choice product. It is the Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration Shampoo. I had started using this shampoo like late last year because I took it with me when I went on my cruise. Probably the last cruise I'll ever go on. But anyhow, and I took it with me because it was okay. It cleaned my hair. I wasn't like wowed by it. I didn't think it brought a whole lot of hydration to my hair, but it didn't dry out my hair. It left my hair feeling pretty good and clean, and it was an easy bottle to pack because of how thin it is. And I was going to be gone for like 2 weeks, and so I was like, I might have to wash my hair a couple of times because I'm going to be spending a lot of time outside. So I wanted to make sure I had plenty of shampoo with me. And it performed well on the trip, and then I kind of forgot about it, and then I was like, I need to use this up because I need the space in my cabinet. And the last few times that I used this, I was like, oh my goodness, this is better than I remembered. It says that you're supposed to be able to detangle your hair with this. It does have a little bit of slip, actually. I tried it and I was able to kind of detangle, but it was only after I'd had a touch up, so I didn't have like the 2 textures to have to deal with. So this shampoo is not part of my hair regimen. I don't intend to buy it again, but I won't say never on this one because I liked it better than I originally thought, but I don't think that the price is something I want to pay for a shampoo that I'm like, it's okay, but I'm not blown away by. So it's too expensive for me, and that's why it's on the probably will not be buying again list. Okay, bear with me. I've got 4 more products left. This is a hair oil. It is the Jamaican Mango and Lime, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, Vitamins A, D, and E. I use Jamaican Black Castor Oil on my scalp, and basically I apply it after I shampoo my hair and have dried it. And then I will apply it occasionally throughout the week. I don't usually focus on hairline because I use the growth oil for that, but I do put in other places that I tend to sometimes see flaking or have itching. It really has helped me a lot with that. All right, then we've got this hair mask, which is one of the ones that I like. It is part of my hair regimen. It is from Carol's Daughter. It is the Coco Creme Curl Quenching Deep Moisture Mask. I've talked about this. I think I have a review on my blog about it. I really like it. It's nice and thick. It smells great. It makes my hair feel moisturized and hydrated. So this is one that's definitely staying a part of my hair regimen for now. I don't have any plans to replace it, but I'm just saying for now. This hair mask is pretty easy to get. I bought a bunch on Carol's Daughter's website when they had like a sale, and then I bought it from Ulta. I bought it from Target, so you can get it at a few different places. I will also say, for those of you who care, this is a protein-free hair mask, so yay there. Okay, the last two products I have are from the brand Mielle. The first one is the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Overnight Conditioner. I did a review on this, and spoiler alert, it was meh. Now, confession, I didn't use it per the instructions. I didn't use it as an overnight conditioner. I've done overnight conditioning before, and it irritated my scalp to no end, so I was just not about to try to go down that path again. And it's interesting because a lot of the other reviews that I saw of this that actually women with natural hair did, most of them didn't use it overnight either. They just were not feeling comfortable with it. So they use it as a deep conditioner or as a pre-poo. I used it as a pre-poo myself, and I really just wasn't quite feeling it. I mixed it with a bunch of other things like natural oils and some other conditioners, and I felt like it made my hair feel better. But it's not something that I plan to buy again or really have a use for. I feel like it's too expensive for a pre-poo, and it just isn't that great. And last but not least is a product that I do love from Mielle. It is the Mongongo Oil Thermal and Heat Protectant Spray. I basically use this on my hair when I'm going to use any kind of heat. And that might be when I'm blow drying my hair out, when I'm doing a roller set, and if I happen to break out a flat iron, I'd be using this as well. So I love it, and I think I have like 6 or 7 bottles sitting in my closet over here that I bought during a couple of Mielle sales, and they have really great sales. So if you want to try it, I would say keep your eyes out for one of their sales because you can get their products for like deeply discounted, which is when I stock up on the 1 or 2 that I actually like. Well, those are all of the products that I've been using on my relaxed hair over the last 3 months. Well, okay, maybe not all the products, but the products that I actually used up, because there's some that I haven't quite used up yet. That'll be in the next video, so get ready for that. If you've used any of these products or have any empties of your own from the last few months, go ahead and share that in the comments down below, because I love to hear your thoughts on the products that I talk about, and also to know what you're using on your relaxed hair. If you like this video or found it helpful, please go ahead and like it by giving it a thumbs up, and feel free to share it on your social channels. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a subscriber. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.